Hello fellow collectors, I hope you are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm unboxing Manta Lab's gorgeous Fullslip edition of Watchmen. The Fullslip here was by far my favourite from the pictures, and I'm delighted to say that in person it is absolutely stunning. You can see here that there is some lovely holofoil accents on the front, and all the characters and title are of course slightly embossed. I love what they did with the spine here, transitioning from the bright and rich colours on the front to the more sepia toned and muted colours on the back. Again, some light embossing on the back here, which you'll see in a moment when I pick it back up. The Steelbook is not the best I've seen from Manta, but still is very nice. The title is of course debossed as usual, and there is a glossy finish. I'm not sure exactly what it is here, but the colours don't look quite as bold, for want of a better word, as they usually are with Manta Lab Steelbooks. Maybe as a result of the rain effect that they tried to do, I'm not too sure. Some very nice inner artwork here as well. Great choice by Manta. Included inside the Steelbook is the special features disc and an envelope with some nice glossy character cards and some art cards as well. Then we have the photo booklet. As usual with Manta Lab, no writings in any language here. And then the little sticker that you get on the front when it's still sealed. So, another superb release from Manta with one of the nicest Fullslips I've seen for a good long while. Gorgeous, rich colours and the holofoil accents are just spot on. And well, that's everything from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.